What situations are best when selling gains?
So when you sell gains in your taxable brokerage account, you trigger capital gains taxes, both federal and state. So an important question is, are there situations that are optimal or that you can create for selling your gains? The short answer is yes, when you have losses to offset those gains. So two things. Ideally, you should always be monitoring your accounts for tax loss harvesting opportunities. And number two, ideally, you're not in a rush to sell gains. This gives you flexibility in waiting for when you have unexpected losses that can be used to offset gains. So let's go deeper into tax loss harvesting. Whenever you have positions trading at a loss, you should harvest those losses by selling them. These losses become a powerful tax tool that you can use in three ways. So number one, deduct up to $3,000 from your ordinary income every year. At a 24% tax bracket, that's $720 in tax savings. So make sure to preserve at least $3,000 in losses for this purpose. Number two, you can offset your capital gains dollar for dollar. Every dollar of loss offsets a dollar of gains. So if you harvest $10,000 in losses, you can sell $10,000 in gains tax-free. And number three, you can carry forward unlimited losses to future years. Any losses beyond what you use this year carry forward indefinitely. They're like having a tax savings account you can draw from whenever you need to sell gains in the future. So the ideal approach is strategic patience. If you have gains you'd like to sell, maybe to rebalance or reduce concentration in a single stock, ideally you're not in a rush. This gives you the luxury of timing. But the golden rule is taxes should be a key factor in your selling decisions and your taxable accounts. Not the only factor, but certainly a key factor. And here's why. You can't predict what the market will do, but you have significant control over the taxes you pay. A disciplined, tax-aware approach can save you thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars over time. So ask yourself these questions before selling. Do I have losses I can harvest to offset these gains? Am I in a rush, or can I wait for better tax timing? Would it be better to sell this position from my retirement account instead? If I do need to rebalance, can I do it primarily through new contributions rather than selling? An important reminder, this only applies to taxable accounts. Everything we've discussed applies only to your taxable brokerage accounts. Your IRA, 401k don't have capital gains taxes. So you can sell these freely without tax consequences in those accounts. So save your taxable account selling for when you have losses to pair with your gains. Bottom line, the best time to sell gains is when you have losses to offset them. Be patient, stay disciplined, and let tax opportunities come to you.